Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a weekend recap vlog. Of course, it always starts with little Jace at the end of my bed every morning watching his little cartoons. I then ran to the store, and while he was gone, his TV that he just ordered was delivered. Hi, baby. I gotta show you something. Come on.
What's that?
I just have to show you inside. Come on. He's about to be so pressed for this TV, but I can almost guarantee that it will sit in a box for probably the next 4 to 6 weeks. But he'll be happy that he got it. After this, one of our friends that's a DJ has started doing like silent parties. So we were doing like a trial, just a few people over, still COVID. But it was a lot of fun.
It's a video. Video? Video?
Jay's honestly like, I don't know what song this was, but he liked it. He really liked it.
I know just what to say. Can we talk?
Then after that, we went to another friend's house and we decided to do camping, which was really fun. It just was a little cold that night.
Why you the first thing I see? I put everything down.
Yeah, I see.
That's gonna be loud as crap.
Hi, Jace. Hi.
And I bangs out the what you call it. We got the really coat with the basic feeling, Alizé.